Rehold has the most extensive database and reverse address directory in the USA. It has an extensive database of public and private information which includes business addresses, residential addresses, contact information, social media accounts, organizations, government agencies, home address, name, relatives, criminal records, business records, and many more. Rehold's reverse home address lookup is 100% free. You can look up for residential and business addresses, and get accurate information for free. However, not everyone likes sharing these of information. Don't worry, there's a way to delete your information on Rehold. Here is a step-by-step guide on how you can do this. Start by visiting their website at rehold.com. Provide your full address, then click the search icon. Check the details to ensure you are looking at the right one. Click Information Control to the right of your listing. Select the data you wish to remove by clicking Remove, then select Apply. Enter your full name and email address, perform the CAPTCHA, and click the Apply button again. Check your email and click the confirmation link to complete your opt-out request. You may expect for the removal of your information within 48 hours. If you are too busy doing this for yourself, Delete My Info can help you save time by removing all your information from data brokers. Visit us at deletemyinfo.com for more information.